So for today, I have a very interesting piece of information in the form of a video job ad done by a hugely successful Canadian media business. They're essentially a team of about 20 people doing tech reviews for a living on YouTube. So I thought it'd be interesting to show you the ad, which is under 3 minutes long, and I will highlight during it the main elements that allow them to communicate so effectively.
So we've actually been criticized in the past for putting job posting videos up on our YouTube channel. Apparently we won't find the right people there, and it's unprofessional. Who cares? We're Hiring videos have brought us over the years Luke, John, Anthony, Alex, and James, and you know, now that I think about it, that's a good point. Those guys all totally suck. You know what? I'm gonna go post this in the local newspaper instead. No, I'm just kidding.
So quickly notice two aspects here. First is the one in the video is the owner of the business. So it's actually the manager in charge of that opening. So be sure that you are advancing the same person for your own business. And the second is notice how he clearly makes his point that this job opening is not a test. It's something that previously worked for them, and it's actually that can be very effective. Okay, so let's continue.
So anyway, we're looking for a couple of things this time around. A graphic designer with clothing design aspirations and a part-time video editor with some camera experience. Or, in a perfect world, a single magical unicorn who is able to do both. So the graphic designer's responsibility on his or her first day would be to hit Ed with the waifu pillow for leaving me to wear this aging WAN hoodie design for the last 2 years. Then, from there, we're looking to create like pitch decks for sponsors, Twitter profile banners, and stuff like that. So like boring things, but also dramatically increase both the quality and variety of our merch offerings. And not just like more random stuff with like an LTT logo on it. I mean, we'll do some of that, but we want to focus on fully custom stuff that normal people would want to wear. So some familiarity with clothing and merchandise sourcing would actually be a huge plus.
All right, so this part is highlighting the two position descriptions. And something that I find very interesting here is the way he advances his company culture. And also his language is extremely informal, right? So let's continue.
The position is full-time in Surrey, British Columbia, so you will need a Canadian work permit. Please don't waste my time and yours if you don't have one. Position number 2, video editor. So you need to be able to edit videos in the style of LTT, Tech Quickie, and then potentially a new channel. That's right, you heard it here first, folks. We might be working on a new channel. Actually, we're definitely working on a new channel. Otherwise, why would we put up a job posting for a new channel?
Notice here the subtle pitch over the new product introduced in this company. That's a clear sign that the company is going well. And it's a very elegant way to answer the why. Why would somebody apply for such a job?
So you'll find the full details for submitting your cover letter, resume, and portfolio in the video description. This position is part-time in Surrey, BC. And again, please don't waste my time and yours if you don't have a Canadian work permit. We cannot hire you if you cannot legally work in Canada. And in response to your question about working remotely, no, we've tried it, it sucks, we're not doing it. So good luck, everyone. This video is brought to you by, no, I'm just kidding, there's no sponsor. I'm done.
And finally, notice here how he guides the applicants towards what's next as for the application process. And by the way, they are just using a simple Google form to accept applications. And this is despite that they have more than 5 million followers. So overall, I find this is by far the best job ad that I've ever seen. And hopefully this also gave you some interesting information with respect to these types of ads. And last but not least, if you like the video, please also consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Thank you.